Hello, welcome to C Sharp tutorials, and I think I got the numbering wrong, but then I think this is the ninth C Sharp tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to connect your C Sharp program to MySql database. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let me just clear this part out. So in order for us to use MySql in our program, we have to include the namespace. Okay, include the namespace here. Okay, then what using system.this means is using is used to include namespaces into your program. Okay, or include references into your program. So in order to use MySql, we do using space MySql.data.mysql client. Okay, so in order for us to use MySql, we have to include it inside our program, and this is how we can include it. Okay, so what we have to do next is declare a MySql connection class inside our public partial class here. So the reason why we are declaring it here is so that it can be accessible to every event, or method, or every event we want to access it from. Okay, you can actually declare it inside a particular event, and you can only use it within the event, but since we want it to be accessed everywhere, we are going to declare it here. It will be accessible in every event in this particular form. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is declare a class of MySql connection. So we do MySql connection. This is it. So what we are going to do here is more like declaring a variable. So what a variable is we can set a string, integer, or anything, something. Let's just say a string or an integer, a value to a particular string. Okay, or let me just show you and then you understand. Okay, so this is how you declare MySql connection. And then when you want to declare a variable, it can be in int or string. So we can do string, and then maybe the string is name. The string will contain a name. This is it. This is how to declare a string. Okay, a variable, which is the string. Okay, so if maybe you want to declare a variable that's int, you can do it int, and then maybe let's say age, like this. Okay, and then that one you declared a variable which is int. Okay, so after we declared let me take this one out. After we declared MySql connection and then we named it con, the next thing to do is declare a variable that's a string. That's what's going to contain the connection to MySql. So what we will need inside the string is our server, we will need our database, we will need a username, we will need a password, and then we will need a port. Okay, yes. So in order for us to do that, there's a way I do to save how do we call it, save all those values we needed. That's the server, the port, and then and then that one we use the settings properties, okay, of this application. So in order for us to do that, we have to go to our user, our project folder. Okay, I just woke up, so I think I'm a little down or something. So we have to go to our project folder, and when we go to our project folder, we double click here. Okay, so we will find okay, we have to go to first to find that. Let's see. This is not it. Okay. Okay. Well, we don't have properties here. Okay. I think let's double click. Yes. Hold on. Okay, so let me pause the video here. In this sharp develop, I can't find the properties for the program, so I'll just go through and find where they are, and then I'll just show you that in the next video. Okay. Yeah, thank you.